This is not the Americanized version of beef stroganoff. This is authentic babushka-style Russian beef stroganoff. Let's get to it. Grab any beef steak. We're using top side. You can use sirloin or ribeye too. Cut them in small strips. Take a frying pan. Add butter. Let it melt for a bit and then add your beef strips. Let them cook from both sides until they change color. Take the beef strips out and put them aside. Save the beef juices for a sauce. Now grab another pan, add in the beef juices, add butter. Keep stirring until the butter is completely melted. Add chopped onions, mix them well. Add flour, mix it well. Next, add sour cream and mix it again. Now add another tablespoon of salted butter and mix it again. It should look something like this. Then add your beef strips. Keep mixing it because we want that flavor to go inside that meat. Add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Add salt to taste. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Paprika, 1/4 teaspoon, and mustard, 1/2 teaspoon. Give it a stir, mix it well, and let it simmer for a while. You can add beef broth, but it's optional. If you like your beef stroganoff a little bit thicker, you can leave it as it is, but we like to add beef broth. And your delicious, creamy beef stroganoff is ready to serve. Serve it over mashed potatoes because that's how it's done in Russia. Enjoy.